Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basic. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to feed your horse on Red Dead Redemption 2. So at first, just approach your horse and then in the right button corner, you can see the options and hold right mouse button. And again, you see different type of option and go for the option feed, pressing or holding R on your keyboard like this. So guys, this is how you feed your horse on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.